Hi, I'm Heather Jobson from Beyond Property Management. We're a specialist residential property management agency with a team in place servicing the wider Brisbane region. I firstly want to say thank you to Leonie and Pete from Wealthology for the care that you give your clients and ours. We also are passionate about making sure that landlords have a really positive experience and their journey as property investors is successful, and the work you do with your clients is greatly appreciated and refreshing to see. So thank you. The message I want to give to property investors out there today is that the sky is not falling through COVID-19 in the residential property investment sector in Brisbane. And I'm going to back that up with some facts for you to consider. There's a lot of different economic reports and forecasting out there at the moment, but most of them seem to be saying that unemployment could hit up to 12%. Naturally, that's not great. But what it does mean is that the vast majority of Australians will be able to continue to meet their financial obligations. Those that are impacted through job losses will benefit from JobKeeper and JobSeeker in order to be able to continue to meet their financial obligations. We are going to have people that are going to fall through the cracks of the system. I acknowledge that. The message that I'm giving today is that across the board, we are not facing financial Armageddon in the Brisbane rental property market. Let me read you a statement from Adrian Kelly from the Real Estate Institute of Australia. He's the president of that association. With the Corona stimulus package, a couple with 2 children paying 30% of their Centrelink income plus rent assistance would be able to pay $473 per week and still have $912 per week to live on. This is well above the Australian median rent of $430. So that's from Adrian Kelly. In Brisbane, the median rent is $410 per week. So once the Centrelink payments kick in, most tenants are going to be able to afford to continue to meet their financial obligations. Further reassurance for you is looking at our arrears across our portfolio last night. We have less than 1% of tenants on a breach notice for rent arrears, and a breach notice is issued at 7 days rent in arrears. It's 0.07%. So that's the percentage we're seeing of tenants that are 7 days rent in arrears, and half of those tenants have updated us that they will be able to pay back their full amount by the end of this week. I had a call yesterday from a client looking at, or potential client looking at a new build property and having a panic about whether or not they should proceed with the purchase. And my answer was absolutely. You don't buy an investment property for 6 months, you buy it for 20 years. And your retirement plans haven't changed. And compared to cash in the bank right now, residential property is still a great place for you to be. We are not facing 6 months of zero rent to any landlords. There is no moratorium on rents. There is simply a protection in place to avoid homelessness in our society. And I'm sure that most people would agree that's a reasonable philosophy for us to live on. So I hope you've found that reassuring. I'm Heather from Beyond Property Management. I love talking to property investors. I welcome your call at any time. You can contact me on 0421 235 664 or heather@beyondpm.com.au. Thank you.